Been driving around little housing estates and up and down the main road for about half an hour trying to find the start of a path, because there's no signs or anything for where it starts. And we've asked somebody in a cafe and they've pointed us in this direction, and it's looking like we're on the right spot. So we're going to carry on up there somewhere. These are the little signs we're looking for, and we're heading off up there. Fairly steep one this, it's short but steep. A little bit higher up now, we've just started scrambling up some rocks and come across these pitcher plants. I've never seen them growing wild before. There's a few there. Just found this fella down here. I thought it was a pine cone.
I thought it was a sweet wrapper.
But, I'm not too sure what he is. He's a beauty, whatever he is. On his rear end as well. Just put your hand near it, Janice, just to give
let's get rid of that.
An example of his size. He's a whopper, isn't it?
Big. Beauty.
We're getting near the top now, aren't we? Yeah, cracking view. And it's starting to get windy and it's definitely getting cooler. And the path is getting a bit less pathish.